हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू आवर करियर रिवाइवल टॉक्स। आपका पॉडकास्ट चैनल जहाँ पे हम बातें करते हैं करियर सक्सेस की, करियर ब्रांडिंग की, जॉब सर्च स्ट्रेटजीज की। एंड आई एम योर होस्ट नेहा, आपका करियर रिवाइवल कोच। एंड what I do is I help job seekers just like you land their dream jobs, 10x their interview calls, and build a brand without without sending so many of applications and become a job magnet. और आज का एपिसोड बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज आई रिसेंटली वॉच्ड अ पावरफुल कन्वर्सेशन विद ब्लेयर सिंगर। एक ऐसे लेजेंड हैं, वो मेरे भी कोच के कोच हैं और मेंटर हैं। एंड ही in this video he has completely shifted the way we think about the career success. It made me realize something very very important. Every job seeker, whether you are a fresher, whether you are experienced, or whether you are someone who is restarting their career after a gap, needs to master sales skill. Okay, yes, you heard that right. Job searching is not just about qualifications or resumes, it's about how well you sell yourself, your skills, and your value. तो आज के एपिसोड में आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक डाउन द सेल्स माइंडसेट एंड हाउ इफ यू मास्टर दैट यू कैन help yourself get a dream job faster and also become a job magnet. Okay, so let's start it. Let's talk about the segment number one. Sales is not just for salesperson, it's for seekers also. So जब हम ये वर्ड सुनते हैं सेल्स, बहुत सारे लोग सोचने लग जाते हैं अबाउट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, लाइक मे बी अ car salesperson, maybe a policy salesperson, insurance salesperson, real estate agent, telemarketer trying to sell you for to buy a credit card. Okay, but I will tell you a secret here. Sales is the number one life skill. Okay, you need to master it, especially जब हम जॉब सर्च करें. तो think about it like this. What is job interview? What it is a sales pitch. आप अपने आप को सेल कर रहे हो, अपनी स्किल्स को, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को, अपने पोटेंशियल को टू अ हायरिंग मैनेजर, है कि नहीं? सो यू नीड टू शिफ्ट योर माइंडसेट। अगर आप अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंटली सेल नहीं कर पा रहे हो, कोई और विद लेस एक्सपीरियंस but with better sales skill will get that job instead of you. Okay, so now let's talk about our segment number 2, what I learned from Blair Singer's sales philosophy. So what I learned from his video is that he says that the toughest sale isn't selling a product to a customer, it is selling yourself to yourself. And I completely agree on that. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जॉब सर्चिंग में इज नॉट रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉयर्स, इट इज एक्चुअली सेल्फ डाउट जो हम अपने अंदर कैरी करके रखते हैं. थिंक अबाउट दिस. Like, have you ever thought, I'm not good enough for this job before even applying? Have you ever stopped yourself from networking because you fear that rejection? Have you ever been in an interview frozen and overthinking, क्या ये मुझे चूज करेंगे भी कि नहीं? राइट. सो ब्लेयर सिंगर का एक रूल है यहाँ पर. सेल्समैनशिप begins when the customer says no. ठीक है. For job seekers, this means that your real test begins when you face rejection. So instead of quitting after one failed interview, you need to reprogram your mindset to see that every rejection is a feedback. It is not a failure. It is not a failure. Okay. Your career success is depending on how well you sell yourself, how you overcome rejections or objections, and keep showing up despite setbacks. Okay, बहुत पावरफुल लगा मुझे ये सेगमेंट उनका. Then let's talk about the third segment, which is the three sales skills every job seeker must master. Number one is the power of storytelling. जो हायरिंग मैनेजर हैं और जो रिक्रूटर्स हैं, दे डोंट रिमेंबर द रिज्यूमेस, दे लिटरली डोंट, what they remember is stories. So just like a great salesperson, sell through storytelling. So you need to present your experience in such a way that grabs attention. Now you have to think on that कि कैसे story telling करनी है. Okay, and next is how to apply it. So instead of saying I worked at XYZ company for 3 years, say that at this company I led a project that increased the efficiency by 30%. This experience taught me how to manage deadlines under pressure. ठीक है, stories sell करती हैं. So stories sell. Okay, so make sure that your LinkedIn is optimized, your resume, your interviews, they reflect the strong you and a result driven storytelling. Number two skill is handling objections with confidence. So, have you ever faced tough interview questions like, why should we hire you? Or you don't have the experience in this particular role or in this particular field, or maybe you are not relevant to this industry, you don't have experience for this industry type. That's an objection, right? So instead of panicking, reframe the objections as opportunities so that you highlight your strengths. So confidence is the key. If you don't believe in your own value, no employer will believe in you. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अपनी वैल्यू को खुद बिलीव कर लो पहले. बिकॉज अगर आप खुद पे ही बिलीव नहीं करते हो, आपका एम्प्लॉयर तो आप पे बिलीव बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेगा. Then third sales skill is the follow up strategy. Sales professionals, they don't just pitch. They also follow up with the potential customers. Job searching, maybe you must do the same way. So how to do that? You need to send a follow up mail after an interview, preferably 24 hours के अंदर अंदर भेज दो, thanking them or maybe briefing them about what happened, and also telling them that you are interested in this role. Okay, then stay in touch with the recruiters and hiring managers, और उनके साथ 7 touch points करो, network on LinkedIn, try to get in touch with them. And if you don't get the job, ask for feedback and use it to improve next time. Remember this, that most job seekers, they don't follow up, और अगर आप follow up कर रहे हो, which means that you are standing out what others are not doing. Okay, now let's cover the segment number 4, your income and your career growth that depends on the sales. Okay, so Blair Singer ने ये बोला that every salesperson or every income follows sale. और आई थिंक दैट आपके करियर में भी आपकी इनकम विल फॉलो हाउ वेल यू सेल योर स्किल्स. ठीक है, रियलिटी बताती हूँ. इफ यू आर स्टक इन अ लो पेइंग जॉब, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट योर स्किल्स, इट्स अबाउट हाउ वेल यू पोजिशन योर वर्थ. अगर आपके पास इंटरव्यू कॉल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, देन डोंट ब्लेम द जॉब मार्केट. इट्स अबाउट हाउ वेल यू मार्केट योर सेल्फ. अगर आपको प्रमोशन नहीं मिल रही है, यू नीड टू सेल योर वैल्यू टू योर बॉस. ठीक है, अगर आप अपने आप को ढंग से सेल नहीं कर पा रहे हो, कोई और कर लेगा विद फ्यूअर स्किल्स बट मोर कॉन्फिडेंस, और वो आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी ले जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स टेक एक्शन. ऑल राइट जॉब सीकर्स, लेट्स रैप दिस अप विद एन एक्शन प्लान. सो आई विल गिव यू 3 step challenge for the week. So, number one is rewrite your resume and your LinkedIn about section using storytelling techniques. Number two is practice answering tough questions, tough interview questions with confidence. So, you need to handle objections with confidence. Number three challenge is send at least 3 follow ups to the recruiters in a week, maybe to the recruiters or the hiring managers, or you can connect them on LinkedIn. देख लो, एक बात जान लो, आपको मास्टर करनी पड़ेगी सेल्स अगर आपको जॉब सर्च प्रोसेस में सक्सीड होना है तो। जितना आप स्किल्स अपनी सेल्स स्किल्स को रिफाइन करोगे, द फास्टर यू विल लैंड योर ड्रीम जॉब। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस, फॉर लिसनिंग दिस करियर रिवाइवल टॉक। अगर आज के वैल्यू में आपको वैल्यू लग रही है, देन प्लीज शेयर इट विद अ फ्रेंड हु नीड्स टू हियर दिस, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on YouTube. And also, if you want to learn 10x more interview calls, then just join my free webinar. Until next time, keep selling your value, keep growing your career, and get that dream job. Okay. And sales is not just for salesperson, it's for everyone who wants success. See you next time.